that a lot better than it was?
It's drier, but yeah, all the stuff at the bottom, I mean, you just have to push through it.
Yeah.
And I think it should start getting a little bit worse.
So the only way to get into this line is here. There's no clean outs out front.
Not that this way. Everything flows out.
See, if we had that, you guys want to replace this line anyway, though, right?
We do, yeah.
If we had that, we could pull everything out. And when you're pushing, the front depth's not as strong. It's stronger, but it's
on the back end.
Yeah. Wow. Is it hard to push in? Yeah, man. Water probably just sits in there too. This is probably all belly right here, huh?
Yeah. There's a couple of big bends, and he was having trouble yesterday getting the camera past it. And then there was about 100, they couldn't get it any further.
Really? Did they make it to the ABS?
Not with this one.
Really? I wonder what camera they were using. Oh, they were using this reel, huh?
Yeah.
Yeah, there's so much crap in there, it's not sliding very well, you know? This is a 320-foot reel, but it's like, I've never gotten past 190, even with really good ABS.
Really?
Yeah, they just get it's so far, you know? If you get it to 190, you're doing pretty good. Okay, so here's the bends you're probably talking about here right now. Yeah, it's really cool out there. That doesn't look like concrete to me. That looks more like calcium sludge. You know what I mean? A lot of that probably just came off of the pipe. Just that scale.
So do you think if we ran it better from the other way?
If I could get into it out there, I could pull most of that stuff back. You know what I mean? What's that? Right. That's what I'm saying. If there was a clean out front.
I do.
it's only getting worse out there. So you can't get any farther. Alright. That's good. That's about as far as we're going to get. Alright. Let's, you want to pull it back on?
I can't see anything.
Well, when I start pulling it back, you should probably get it cleared up a little bit. You can't get it. There you go. Go back and forth a little bit. Go back and forth a little bit. Yeah, it's alright. Yeah, you're out. I don't think we're going to see anything more than what we saw already.